y'all see that red eye right there? What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C-Will, you heard, man. We back at it with another slight video, man. Shit, it's goddamn 5:17, y'all. Just getting off work. I got a good Amazon notification. Look, we got some packages in the mail, you heard me? So we're finna go see what it do, man. Finna go see what's popping, you heard me? So look, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. Turn on that post notification bell to stay up to date, man, with anything that we got going on with the channel, y'all. We almost at 8K, man. Road to 10K, you heard me? So I appreciate all y'all, all my C family, all y'all out there, man, that's been supporting me, whether it's been from day one or y'all just caught on to the channel right now. Hey, I appreciate y'all, man. So look, without further ado, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. Let's get to it. Come on, man. Y'all know we primed in, man. Oh, hold on. I wonder what this is, CEEFAM. Hold on, boy. And we got another little thing. Got something else coming in tomorrow. So, oh, can't show y'all the code, man. You know we fancy. Oh. All right, man. Let me unbox this thing right here for y'all, man. This ain't really nothing, but I think it'll be a good little mod to the whip. So as y'all see, man, we got the shadow lights. For y'all that don't know, these are the puddle lights, right? So whenever I open up the door, whether it's the driver's side or the passenger side, right, you're gonna see a little light right there. So these right here should be the Hellcat Redeye lights. So let me open this thing up for y'all. Boom. See that? So hopefully, man, it's marked with the L and R, left and right, just so I know which one is which. But yeah, man, definitely gonna install these right quick. So y'all did just open these up, man. They actually don't say L or R, right, left or right door, but it's okay. I mean, we're gonna definitely figure it out. And then for those y'all that learn better by reading and all that, get a visual, boom, they got the instructions and everything, man. Remove door light, unplug the door, replace welcome light, finish the install, right? So that's all I'm gonna do. It's pretty simple, man. And then it also came with this right here too, good little tool. All right, so y'all don't have to get your own tool, man. Come with its own little pry tool right here. So that's super duper easy. So yeah, we're gonna go outside, man, install this thing, and I'm gonna show y'all how it look at night too, man. So let's get to it. Oh yeah, like I said, y'all, fresh off work, man. Let's get this thing done right quick. All right, opening up the whip. So as y'all see, man, there's a little light thing that's like right under here. Let me see, let me show y'all right quick. Boom. Y'all see that light right there? So all we're gonna do is use our pry tool and pry this thing right here out. And then after that, all we gotta do, man, is simply plug and play. Plug and play, CEEFAM. So let me put y'all down, man, and we're gonna get to it. As y'all see, man, easy like that, right? Pop it off. And then there's a little tab that's right here. Don't know if y'all can see, there's a little tab right there. And then all we gotta do is pop it off. So let me push this down. Uh-oh, what's going on, boy? I thought. Oh no, actually it's right here, y'all. So there's a little tab that's right here. Push it down with the screwdriver. Boom. Damn, I was about to say what the hell going on. So you actually gotta, it's a little plug right here. You just gotta push down on this thing right here, y'all. I'm gonna have to show y'all. That's too easy. Let me see. So, like I was trying to say, y'all, there's this plug that's literally right here. Don't know if y'all can see it. Boom, all you gotta do is push down on that and then pull up. It's too easy. Boom. And then, like I said, this right here was the old one. You know, factory. Nobody does factory. I don't do factory. So hopefully I can just plug this thing in, little plug and play, and then we should be good. Let me see. Oh, so as y'all can see, there's two little prongs right there, and there's also two prongs right there. All you really got to do is line it up. Voila, and you should hear like a click or like a snap, something like that, y'all. And then put it back in. Boom. Boom. So ideally, that should be it. We're gonna see if it worked, man. It should work, CEEFAM, should work, but we're gonna see. All right, CEEFAM, moving on to the other door, man. We're on the driver's side door now. So shoot, like I said, get this thing, pry out a little bit, and then voila, right, that should come right on out. And then as I said before, man, pull on this, put your nail in there, boom, voila, easy like that. And then like I said, you got aftermarket and you got stock. All right, so you can definitely see the difference. This one look more, I don't know, it look more like dimmer. I don't know how to explain it, just looks lame. This one right here look a lot better, man, a lot better quality and everything. So yeah, and then I don't know if y'all can tell, if y'all can see, but there is like a little knob that's like in here. Probably a little dark for y'all, but there's a little knob that's in here, and like you can turn this knob. I don't know if it's to like put the logo, like shift the actual logo. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm pretty sure you can shift the overall logo, man. But yeah, I'm gonna just leave it right here in the middle. I don't know if y'all can tell, it's probably kind of hard for y'all to tell, but yeah, I'm gonna just leave it in the middle, man, so it's all good. And like I said, boom, shit, hear a click, this thing not going anywhere. Then put this bad boy right back in. I lied, it was this way. Boom, put this bad boy right back in there, and voila. So I don't know if you'll be able to see it in the daytime, CEEFAM, but I'm gonna definitely show y'all at night. Hopefully they in there the right way, but we'll see, man. Let's get to it. All right, man, so everything is installed, bro. Let me get y'all a little lights, like, well, it's not even a cold start, it is like kind of like a warm start. I just got back home probably like 30 minutes ago, CEEFAM, and yeah, like there will be like a squeak in my exhaust. I know some of y'all been talking about that, man, but I definitely do think it's the active exhaust. No, it's not, because I cut off the mid mufflers. No, it's it's definitely my my active, what is it, I don't know, it's not the actuators, but it's the little active piece that's in there. I need to change it out or something like that. Or I know y'all say, oh, get another exhaust. Hey, y'all keep watching the videos, guess what, I'm gonna get another exhaust. See how they work. But yeah, let me get y'all start up, man. Now I'm gonna see if this thing right here gonna work, the little lights. It's definitely quiet still though, for real. I think it's quiet, y'all. Definitely think it's quiet. But yeah, let me see if you can see them though. Nah, see, you can't see nothing. Let me try to, I don't know, you try to put, nah, I can't see nothing right now. As y'all can see, can't see a damn thing. So yeah, I'm gonna have to come back out here, man, at nighttime. You know what, let me actually push the red button on y'all right quick. Yeah, definitely can't see nothing right now, CEEFAM. So I'm gonna come back out here once it's a little bit darker, and then I'm gonna let y'all see how they look, man. So, but yeah, y'all, as I was saying, man, whenever I was driving to Denver, y'all, like this thing right here had came loose, man. How, I have no idea, but I don't know. It's still tight, don't get me wrong, CEEFAM, but like the screws that buddy had used to put underneath, like you can see the screw kind of like loose now. Like you can see more of the screw. It's hard to explain. I have to get on my knees and hands and show y'all, go underneath the car. I don't want to have to do that. I'm still in the uniform, man. But yeah, y'all, this side right here is good. It still got the little black rod on there. The black rod on this thing flew off, the little covering. So yeah, this side right here is, look, nice and tight. It's been not going nowhere. But then this side right here, y'all see that? It's loose. So whenever they had put it on 2C like they didn't, you know, take the front bumper off, put the little lug nuts or whatever on the inside. So put the screw from the bottom going inside, and then take the front bumper off, put a washer and a little locking nut or whatever, just so like it'll hold it in place. They didn't do that. All they did was drill some self-tapping screws underneath there, hoping and praying that that's a quick solution. Well, I wouldn't even say quick solution, but that would be the best way. So what I'm gonna have to do, CEEFAM, take my front bumper off, right, put those screws in there tight, put like a locking nut or whatever on the inside of the bumper, just to keep it like flushed up against the bottom of the bumper. I don't know, if y'all car people know, y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm pretty bad at explaining certain things, but y'all should get what I'm saying, man. But yeah, that's enough of me talking. Like I said, y'all, hey, we got some more mods coming for the whip, man. I have to drop the car off tomorrow, Tuesday. Today is Monday. You know, boom, making a video for y'all on Monday, man. So yeah, today Monday, y'all, dropping the car off tomorrow for an interior mod that's gonna make the car look crazy, man. I'm telling y'all. So yeah, stay tuned, man. All right, CEEFAM, walking outside, man. Y'all see the whip looking brazy. Let's see, hopefully these work, man. Hopefully it's not no lemons. I don't know, let's see. Damn, boy sold me some lemons. Hell no, hold up, let me see something, man. I know I ain't get sold no lemons, dog. Damn, that boy sold me some lemons. Ain't no way. Damn, that boy got me for the... Oh! Alright, hold on, CEEFAM. I'm definitely keeping this in here, boy. I feel like I got played. Man, what the hell? You know what? I think I know what's wrong. I think I know. Hold up. Man, yo, I done tried almost everything, dog. They done sold your boy C-Will a lemon, dog. At least one of them. Let me get out and show y'all the other side, man. Damn, I got. Nah, I'm gonna hit them boys up. It was a little Amazon piece too. Hit them boys up. See if them boys can just send me another one, dog. See? That's how I know. So this right here is what it's supposed to look like. Y'all see that red eye right there? That's hard, bro. So, you know, that's what it's supposed to look like. But yeah, them boys sold me a lemon, man. And one more time for the one time, man. Boom. I don't even know if I want to post this video until y'all see both sides, because I'm kind of bummed out, man. I don't even want to post a vid for real, for real. Them boys sold me a lemon. I can't believe it. Look, see? It's crazy, dog. So it only works too, like if you put this thing right here up one too. So that's the only time it'll work. But yeah, I tried everything, y'all. I tried to switch it from this side to that side to this side, take the thing apart, put it back together, man, do open heart surgery on that bit. Y'all would not work, bro. So yeah, I'm gonna hit them boys up, see if they can just send me another one, and yeah, just go from there, man. It's crazy, dog. All right, CEEFAM, so just like that will conclude today's video, man. Hit up Amazon support. They said, hey, look, we'll send you a replacement, right? Out of that pack of 2 that we send you, only use the one that you need, and then you can send me the other 2 defective ones back. So it's supposed to be back, man, by Wednesday. I'm gonna show y'all the little thing right here. Boop, show y'all that. So like I said, it should be here by Wednesday, man. I showed y'all how it looked, at least on one side, so y'all get the idea. Y'all already know how it's gonna look. It's gonna look fine, it's gonna look nice, man. Showed y'all how to install it. Very good pop to y'all vehicle, man. You know, so look, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Turn on the post notifications so y'all can keep track of what we got going. Y'all see the Sonic thing, man. Route 44, big thing. Yes, sir. I'll holla at y'all.